differential gear. So now step 4, I'm going to get all these parts. And we're going to attach the inner gear. Okay, got all the parts ready for the last step, step 4. So it actually tells you in step 4 that these in the smaller gear, to use a metal, they call it a metal bearing. What they need about metal bearing is actually a metal bushing. So they do supply you with brass bushing, which is funny is that they're saying it's metal bearing, and it's actually a brass. And I was told that brass was not a, well, it is a metal, but it's not magnetized, but they don't talk about that anyways. I don't know why I'm rambling about, but anyways. There's nothing wrong with using these bushings, but I do have some bearings here, so I'm just going to use the bearings. I'm not going to bother with the bushings. So first step to do is install all the bearings in here. That kind of fit easy. Easy peasy fit. This one also. So they do show here 2 different colors in the manuals for the pins and instruction. And like I told you, it's this is a silver one and this is a darker one. So the colors do match. So when you get a screw that is actually a dark screw, look for a dark screw or a silver screw. That's how they're going to match, because some screws they are the same size, but they are different colors. So okay, so the bearings are not staying in there, but they will in a bit once I put some grease on the shaft. So let's grease our shaft and stick them in the hole. And basically these are bearings now, so the shaft does not need as much grease as a bushing or a plastic bushing would. So it's up to you to actually put some or not, but I'm putting just a little tiny bit in there. I like putting grease in and around there because it really helps hold everything together, because once there's grease, the shaft actually does not come out. The shaft or the bearing doesn't come out. It helps keep everything together. Ta-da! Just like that. So now we stick them in there. So it tells me that the long one actually goes in the deep one. And if you turn this gear, you'll probably notice that the inside gear, or where the axles are going to go, is actually turning. So this one goes there, and then the other one fits right on top. There we go. So now when I'm turning this, the inside of it actually turns. And this is where the pinion is going to go. Can actually put the cap back on and screw that all together with 2 screws. Be right back. There we go. She's all screwed in there, all nice and tight. And this concludes step 1 to 4. Put some 3S in there and go vroom. Bye-bye, Herbie the Love Bug. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and tune in for the next part.